past this top step account, but I'll go through some of the trades that I did on a 15-second time frame. I'm going to show you how you can also do this on such a low time frame and still have a lot of edge. This is one of the trades that I did on the 21st on the account that I passed today. So right here, I started minimizing my risk. This is the one rule that I always follow, is to minimize my risk as soon as possible. By the way, I'm not using any ICT or smart money or anything. I'm just using the data, which I can see on the screen on the order flow. I would keep trailing it until it stops out my stop loss. One thing you must really remember when you're trading on a 15 seconds time frame is that the price moves really fast, and you need to be very precise on what. Look at that. You know, if I didn't trail it fast enough, I would have been in loss right now. By the way, the setup that I'm using on this one, initial balance. Initial balance is basically the first hour of New York session, and after the first hour's high and low, whichever side it breaks, the bias becomes on that side. And there's a lot of other kinds of data that I'll talk about, and I mix all that data with the order flow for the entries and targets. That's my way of trading on a smaller time frame, of course. It broke the IV low, and I immediately took the sell stop order instead of limit order. Both have their own benefits. For selling, I usually go for the stop orders, because the movement is really high in selling, in shorting. But when it comes to buys, I think limit orders are better, because buy goes like something like a zigzag, right? The selling happens instantly. So you would want to be in the move when it's moving, but in the buys, you would want to be in when it's about to go up. You'll see in this trade, I'm really trying to take every cent out of it, because the way I'm trailing, the moment price goes into my favor, I'm moving my stop and minimizing my risk. You can trail a stop loss when the high has already built or the candle is closed, but in my case, I do it mid halfway. So if I see a high being built and it's built like the candle didn't close yet, I would still put my stop loss, I would still trade my stop loss up there. We enter another trade, and you can clearly see it was at a resistance level as well. Another confirmation, and at the EMA also in the order flow, I could see a lot of orders as well. 3 confirmations, enough for me to enter. Immediately taking another trade, seeing the large pool of liquidity up here. This one is the last trade right here. Selling it and trailing it. 1,000 for the day and 1,000 more to win, in which we actually passed already. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. Any questions?